Once upon a time, there was a young guy named Arav, living in a small town. Despite being educated, jobs just weren't coming his way. He had a smartphone, internet, but no idea how to earn. One day, a friend dropped a bombshell. "Bro, there's this thing called ChatGPT. It's changing lives." Arav was curious. He jumped in. Now, he's pulling in over Rs 50,000 a month from home. Let me tell you the 3 simple ways Arav did it, and how you can too. First, content writing. Arav made a Fiverr gig. "I will write SEO articles using ChatGPT. Travel, health, tech, you name it, he wrote it." Clients from the US and UK started messaging him. Up to Rs 3,000 for a single article. 2 a day, and that's Rs 6,000 just from writing. Second, YouTube video scripts. Arav loved YouTube but hated being on camera. So he used ChatGPT for video scripts and AI voices for narration. He started channels about facts, motivation, top 5 lists. Within months, subscribers poured in. Now he's earning Rs 20,000 to Rs 40,000 a month just from YouTube ads. Third, he sold eBooks and courses. Arav loved cooking. He used ChatGPT to polish his recipes and made an ebook, then uploaded it on Gumroad. It sells every week. Plus, he's made a simple cooking course, all with ChatGPT's help. Today, Arav's a freelancer, creator, and teacher, thanks to ChatGPT. And you? If you have a smartphone, internet, and a bit of patience, ChatGPT can change your fortune. Think, learn, and earn like Arav. Don't fear AI.